topic for discussion is Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime program is for all Amazon customer and its membership fee is $9.99 per year. If you are a Prime member of Amazon, you can get the following benefits. Number 1. You can utilize Amazon Prime app for entertainment. Number 2. Free shipping for them on products under Amazon Prime tag. Number 3. Whenever mega sale gets started on Amazon, the Prime customer can utilize the mega sale before 1 day or 1 hour as compared to other customers. There are 2 ways to add Prime badge on your product. Number 1. Send your products in FBA. Number 2. Add Prime badge on the inventory store in your own warehouse. If you want to add Prime tag on your product without sending an FBA, you have to maintain your account health such as delivery rate, avoid order defect rate and cancellation rate, etc. Then go in your help page and there drop an email to Amazon and ask them that you want to enroll in Guaranteed Delivery program. And they will enroll you to check whether you are ready for Seller Prime or not. If you send even a single guaranteed order on time, then you are eligible for Seller Fulfilled Prime. If you find it informative, then share it with others.